Welcome to Cooking with Bobbi Jo. Today we are out in the garden and I'm going to pick 3 Carolina Reapers that are ready. Carolina Reapers were certified as the world's hottest chili pepper by Guinness World Records on August 11, 2017. I'm not sure if any hotter peppers are out there now since that was 5 years ago. There probably are some that are hotter now. I like growing hot peppers, drying them out, and then making hot pepper flakes and powders out of them. I always wear gloves when handling hot peppers. I need these peppers for a recipe I'm going to be doing, so I'm going to be drying these out a little differently than I normally do. So let's go back to the kitchen. I normally string my peppers up and let them hang in the kitchen until dried. Here are my chili peppers I harvested from the garden. I need to go ahead and get some Reaper flakes made so I can do a recipe video. I do not own a dehydrator, so I'll be using my oven. I preheated the oven to 350 degrees. Now you can do this on very low temps for a couple of hours and that works too. But my house is hot enough inside this summer without having the oven on for a few hours. So I'm going to place some parchment paper on a pie plate and I'm cutting the peppers in half. I'm going to open them up for quicker drying. I'm going to place them in the oven and I start out at 5 minutes, then I keep a check on them every few minutes after that. You can tell when they're starting to get toasted and dried out because the skin starts to shrivel up. So these took about 7 minutes. Remove from the oven and let them cool. You want to make sure they're good and dry before you make the flakes. When I'm making flakes, I just place them in my Ninja blender and blend them until they reach the consistency I'm looking for. This isn't a lot of flakes, but it's more than enough for my recipe. It does not take much Reaper flakes to get the heat I'm looking for. The great thing about using pepper flakes is it's easier to adjust the heat than just using the whole pepper. There is no way I would eat a whole Carolina Reaper. I've seen people eating these straight from the garden and I think that is insane because these are extremely hot. I would not enjoy hot peppers like that. I do enjoy the flakes though. Now a jalapeno I enjoy straight from the garden, but they aren't nearly as hot as these Reapers. Well, I'm going to wash up my blender. I'm probably going to run it through the dishwasher 3 or 4 times to make sure I get all the heat out of it because I would hate to have a Carolina Reaper smoothie. Well, that's all there is to drying out peppers if you need pepper flakes in a jiffy. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a very blessed day.